Hello YouTube. Today I will make unboxing video about espresso coffee maker Hisense model HESCM20BK1. Very nice, good looking coffee maker, small, fit for small kitchen like I have. Let's see. What we have inside. Oh, it's like a master box. Next box, a little bit smaller. Here we go. (1,100 watt), 20 bar pressure. It's very nice. When I choose, I look at this especially, but other functions is pretty standard. Okay. I think this company have only one model of coffee maker. Have instructions, guarantee. Also, 2 languages, have English. Okay. Yeah, it's really nice and not so big. Look at this. One and a half liter capacity for water. Euro standard plug. I think this one for 2 cups. Yeah, it's a big one. And somewhere have smaller one for 1 cups. We'll see. So next step is try to make some coffee. I think other parts inside water tank. Yes, it's here. It's for 1 cup, smaller one. And not so good quality of temper, because plastic It's really useless. Can use only this for put coffee here. I buy before better one. Another package. Let's see what's inside. It's heavy temper. Ooh, it's really heavy and much better quality. Look at this. Can disassemble, but I don't need it. Really nice, good looking and good quality. Of course better than this. You understand. Yes, size 51 millimeters, all correct, so can test it today. Let's get started. This button have blue light. After a few seconds, try to push this button. Here we go. Let's see. Have crema and good looking. Let's test. It's really good, especially after my old coffee maker. Let's see what's happened with old one. This coffee maker broken. Drip coffee maker work long time, but after crash cabinet from the wall, it's broken. Can use, but it's look ugly, you know. Can use, can put coffee here, add water in water tank, have coffee, but it's you know, it's not so good coffee like in espresso coffee machines. So one love is pump coffee maker. espresso coffee maker, not drip models.